Hello, today we will write our first Hello World text using Django. So, first we will create our Django project, and inside that, we will create one app, and then we will write Hello World program. So, first, let's create our virtual environment. So, so this is our virtual environment. Now we will activate it. I had one virtual environment activated, so this one is showing, but we are trying to activate the new environment I have created. So let's name this, and we will write this command scripts activate to activate our virtual environment. Okay, now we have successfully activated our virtual environment. Now we will add Django. So let's write pip install Django, and here in libraries we will see Django. So we are installing it, and let's wait for a few seconds and we will create our Django project. Now, Django admin. Let's name it Hello World. This is our project. Now, what we will do is we will change the directory. Mm, we can just see the default page. Sorry, we have to write manage.py, run server, and we can see the working project, the default page. Now we will create the app. So we will write p.manage.py, the start app. Let's name our app Hello. This is our app. Let's add this in our installed apps in the name in the list of the installed apps. Hello. Let's save this. Okay. Now we want to show the text. So what we will do, we will add some function and we will return hello world in the views.py. Okay, so we will write, let's just call it home request, and we will return http response. So from django.http import http response and we will write hello world. We can also just add h1 tag. Let's see if this works or not. Okay, so we have created this views.py. Now we will go to the urls.py file of hello world, the project. Okay, we have this url path. Okay, for this is default one we can create for our project. So let's just do this, and let's make this empty for now. And what we can do is we will use include, and here we will write include the name of our app dot urls. Okay, now we don't have any urls.py file in our app, inside our app, so we will create one. And in this urls.py file, let's copy this for reference. And we don't need this. And here we will write for the view. Let's make keep this empty. Let's also remove this include, we don't need that. Okay, so what we will do, we will import from dot dot views import home. Okay, this is our function. Okay, and what we will just mention home here. And let's we can also put the name like name, hello world. Okay, let's save this. Now if we let's run the server. And now let's go to the okay, so we successfully wrote our first hello world program using Django. Now we will try to understand all the files, and we will try to create a basic Django feature, like having some data and then making some calls, like post call or get call to fetch the data. But before that, we have to understand the structure of the files, like this urls.p file inside this project helps us to go to the path, and then it helps us to connect with different apps we create inside our project. So here the urls.py file of our hello world project helps us to connect with hello, which is our app. Okay, we are connecting this urls.py file with the urls.py file of our app. We can just create another app, and we can write here the name of the app. Suppose we created some app like notes. Okay, notes. Okay, so okay, we created using py manage.py start app notes. Now we created some url inside it, some we created some views, we returned some statement like hello, I am the note, and then we just connected it. So this url is like connecting with the apps inside this project. Now let's go to the hello. So this file contains a lot of this project hello, this app contains a lot of files. So this models.py file helps us to create the fields, the structure of the data we will store. And this views.py file helps us to write the logics and what we want to return to the um, according to the request we get, what we want to return as a response. So this will be handled by views.py file, and then urls.py files. Just we have to mention the path, and we can refer to the view we wrote here. We can just refer writing here, and then we are good to go with the URL. So this was the basic hello world program, and I hope it was helpful. Thank you.